Kia ora, I'm David Hargreaves and this is 90 at 9 brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds with news the US economy is heating up. Figures just out for February show consumer credit rose a rather remarkable 7.9% year on year, or up $27 billion from January, the largest rise ever. The big increase was for personal loans and especially car loans. But meanwhile, the US Federal Reserve has released minutes from its last meeting, and it's maintaining a consistent message. The Fed officials say it will be some time before conditions would be met for scaling back their $120 billion a month asset purchase campaign. But meanwhile, the much faster pickup in US economic activity after the effects of the COVID pandemic saw the US trade deficit jump 4.8% to a record $71.1 billion in February. That was higher than market forecasts. The goods trade gap was also the highest on record. International news. While the airline passenger travel recovery seems a long way off, the air cargo rebound has been very strong in February. Compared with the robust pre-COVID figures for February 2019, the most valid comparison, this year's figures were up a remarkable 9.6%. The Asia-Pacific region was up almost 11%. In China, there was another slip in their foreign exchange reserves in March compared with February. It wasn't large, but it was slightly more than analysts were expecting. The reserves are now down to under 3.2 trillion American dollars. Slipping also was the iron ore price. It was down an unusual 1.5% on the day. Coking coal prices fell more than 1% on the day as well. But not slipping is sales of cars in China. The country saw a record 9.66 million newly registered motor vehicles in the first quarter of this year. China now has 378 million motor vehicles, and that includes 287 million cars. Market news. The US Treasury 10-year yield is down 1 basis point at 1.65%. The price of gold starts today down $3 US from this time yesterday at $1,740 an ounce. Oil prices are little changed from this time yesterday at just under 59.50 a barrel in the US, while the international price is now just under 63. The Kiwi dollar opens today marginally softer at just 70.2 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we are firmer at 92.2 cents. Against the euro, we are weaker at 59.1 euro cents. That means our TWI5 opens today a little lower at 72.6. Kia ora, I'm David Hargreaves, and that was 90 at 9 brought to you by interest.co.nz.